All right, let's look at the practice exam 1, problem number 8. All right, so we want to find an equation of the tangent line to the graph of f given here, and also parallel to the line 6x plus y plus 4 equal to 0. All right, so if you look at this given equation, given line here, I'm going to solve for y. So I'm going to subtract 6x and subtract 4 so that we can move 6x over to the other side and also 4 to the other side. All right, so you can see that this is going to be y is equal to negative 6x minus 4. All right, so we know that the slope shows up right here. All right, so slope of the given line is negative 6. All right, since we're looking for a parallel line, so the equation that we're looking for would have the same slope. Right, so we already know the slope, right? Remember that we need to find the two pieces of information, and the first piece of information is the point. So I'm going to call it x1 comma y1, which we don't know yet. But we already know the slope. So slope m is equal to negative 6, right? Then we need to find the point on the graph where it would have the tangent line with that slope. All right, so what we want to do is, since the equation is given here, so I'm going to take the derivative. So I'm going to find f prime of x is equal to, so this is just a power rule, right? So I'm going to put negative 1/3 multiplied by derivative of x squared would be 2x, right? 2x. So if you clean this up, it's going to be negative 2/3 x, right? Since derivative has all the information about the slope of the tangent line, we want the slope to be negative 6. So I'm going to set this guy equal to negative 6, right? So that we can find x value. So this is going to be equal to, let's see, I'm going to get rid of a negative 2/3. So I'm going to multiply by its reciprocal, which is going to be negative 3/2. Right? That way 3 cancels out, 2 cancels out, and the negative sign cancels out. So you just have x, right? But if you multiply negative 6 and negative 3/2, we would get, let's see, so 6 and 2 cancel out, and you get 3, right? You have a negative sign, so it's double negative. It's going to be positive. So it's going to be 3 times 3, so that's going to be 9, right? So when x equals 9, this slope of the tangent line becomes negative 6. So we're going to set x1 to be 9, right? Then all you have to do is find the y1. In order to find y1, all you have to do is plug in. So y1 is going to be equal to f of plug in x1, which is 9. Right, so you're going to have a negative 1/3. So we're looking at the original function. Then you plug in 9. So you have a 9 squared. All right, so 9 squared is 81. 81 divided by 3 is 27. So this is going to be negative 27. All right, so we have a negative 27 here. All right, then we can find equation. So equation is going to be by point slope form. Y minus y1. y1 is 27, so negative 27. So it's going to be plus 27. Is equal to, slope is negative 6, and the quantity x minus x1. x1 is 9, right? So this is the equation of the tangent line we're looking for. Right? That's it. I hope that this was clear.